How to secure your smart home. It is vital to have your smart home secured. The greater number of security layers you have, the better. As there is technically nothing referred to as totally secured when talking about internet security. But you can greatly reduce the risk of a security breach by using multiple security layers. The following expert tips will help keep your smart home secured. 1. Fortify your Wi-Fi network. First, consider the name you give your network. Use a name that does not give out any personal information about yourself. Make your Wi-Fi network invisible to other people scanning for signals in your area. You will find this option in your router's settings. A network that can't be seen can't be hacked. With certain routers, it is possible to create an alternative network. If you have access to that feature, you might want to create a separate network for your smart home. Use it as your private network. Make it different from your public or guest network. That way, if it gets hacked, your sensitive information will not be compromised. 2. Good passwords are critical. If you are one of those who uses birthdays as passwords, relatable things such as birthdays are not passwords. If you want to secure your smart home network, take your passwords seriously. Make it a habit to change the passwords of any new device before you hook it up to your smart home. As a guide, make use of passwords that are 12-character long. Remembering all your passwords might be a challenge though, but it doesn't excuse you from making strong passwords. You can make use of a password manager to keep your passwords safe. Check the description below for links to some of the best password managers. 3. Use two-factor authentication. This refers to the second layer of verification. After you've entered your username and password correctly. The aim is to ensure your data remains safe even if a hacker gets past the first layer. A lot of smart devices are now using two-factor authentication. You can watch out for this when buying your next smart home device. 4. Keep your devices up to date. If you get notifications to update your smart home app, do not hesitate. A lot of these updates have security upgrades. Therefore, you should not forget to register your device and sign up for update notifications. Regular updates guarantee highest level of security available from the manufacturers. Upgrades also fix bugs. Therefore, when next you get a notification to update your device, think again before you choose "Remind me later." 5. Professional installation might be a good idea. We're big fans of DIY around here. But really, if you don't know how to hook up a device properly, especially one that has to do with your home security, please let a professional handle it. 6. Unplug devices that are not in use. Your device will not be hacked if it is turned off. If you would not be making use of your smart device for an extended period of time, your advice to unplug it. If it has a battery that is detachable, remove it also. For instance, whenever you're leaving town, turn off and unplug any smart device you won't be using. Don't go overboard with this though, your thermostat and security cameras need to stay on. The likes of smart speakers, vacuums, or that coffee maker are the ones that need to stay unplugged. 7. Clear your data before getting rid of devices. Doing a factory reset is a good way to do this. A common suggestion from smart device manufacturers is that you remove all your data before you give out, sell, or dispose of your smart device. If you don't, the next user can get their hands on your information. Worst still, other devices connected to your network could now be easily exploited. 8. Avoid accessing your smart home network from a public Wi-Fi. While free Wi-Fi might sound tempting, we're sure you know it's not secure. Accessing a secure network from an insecure Wi-Fi is not a good idea either. If you must, be sure to use a VPN. This will help protect your identity and no one will be able to trace your activities. Finally, smart homes are convenient and fun. At the same time, they are liable to potential security breaches. But if you follow the tips we've provided, you will significantly reduce the risk. Now you can have some more confidence in enjoying the benefits that come with owning smart devices that make your life easier. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description below for more details and visit our website, www.zimsmarthome.com for more awesome smart home content like this.